Currently, all Water's contracts run out from the 1st of July. Lend-Lease have actually taken over the contract for the next 10 years, and I guess part of the whole deal process was to get a brand new fleet in. We've designed a fair few vehicles I can see behind us. All depends on what stream, it being the water or the sewer stream. And obviously regarding to the Hidrive vehicles, obviously there's the small jetters, which we've designed, and the what we call a rapid response vehicle, which will go out to, I guess, the priority jobs and assess the situation and go from there.
So my job was to get the fleet ready for day one, which is Thursday the 1st of July when we go live for a SA Water services contract. We've been working on this for 6 months. It's about an $18 million fleet with a couple of $1 million tools and a $1 million inventory layout that we have to have prepared for day one operations. Hidrive have supplied 63 bodies, of which 49 of those are water maintenance vehicles and 14 are sewer bodies. What Hidrive have done for Lend-Lease, I should guess, is deliver a fleet ready for day one. There's not too many body manufacturers could deliver 63 vehicles in a timely schedule. They're very good at communicating and keeping us update in regards to progress, and they never missed a delivery date through the whole transition. So the two bodies that we've got, one is a jet sewer ute, so that's to provide civil maintenance to the sewer network from the inspection point of the houses. So when someone has a blockage, sewer blockage, and it's not in the street, the Hidrive body has got a sewer blaster on it, and it's there to free the sewer network. The other body we've got is a water maintenance vehicle, so that's to do the minor and small water repairs to the household or the consumers when they've got a blockage or a meter that needs replacing, etc. When we went back in regards to the bid for this SA Water contract, there was a material change in regards to the vehicle selection of what the current practices have been over the last 20 years. So the two contractors have done the job materially different. They've used excavators, big heavy equipment, where the Lend-Lease strategy was to use modern technology, hydrovac units, blasting units, which is a material change. The client obviously were nervous in the start about the change, but they're moving with the times in regards to how you can do the job.
So there was a bit of twigging to try to fit everything together, plus give the guys plenty of room to put all their equipment in there, or their hand tools, or their spare clothing. We fit it all in, and obviously Hidrive have been fantastic. In the water response, which is obviously the bigger box, all the drawers will fit basically all the tools and equipment which the guys would need to use. This vehicle will be the first vehicle going out to a burst main, responding to a burst main, depending on the priority as well. There'll be front line of water leaks, changing the meters, doing the stop taps. In a way, the inside of the Hidrive box, the way it's actually set up, and the drawers, it gives the flexibility of having long tools, your drawer that comes out, your toolboxes on either side, and the freedom of actually opening everything up, and you can see a 360 degree of the Hidrive unit, and plus the actual drawer, which is underneath. It's hidden. Nobody probably knows it's there, but it carries quite a number of stuff.
The safety features and the fit out for the water maintenance chute, we carefully work through that in regards to LED lights in the cabins, for example. So when the doors open up, we've got LED lights. So the guys, because we're working day, afternoon and on call during the night, very important to have lights. We've set up the drawers and the internal cabinets so we can fit both tooling and inventory. So we work closely with Hidrive in regards to what the application was going to be and what the tools and the inventory was needed to actually do our job. A couple of other features, we changed the door design so that on the driver's side, when the guy was working on the street, the door we changed so it split, and so it didn't overhang the road so much. Also keeping in mind these guys work in winter, and we need the protection from the rain, of course, when the guys are operating out the back of the ute. This fleet here is absolutely state of the art.
No other water utility will have all these equipment and tools on there. It's high tech, not in relation to obviously the utes, the Hidrive units, but all the trucks that you see behind us.
The Hidrive quality is exceptional. They're fit for purpose. They build exactly what we needed. They're a very light body, so it allows us to use the maximum tear weight of the vehicle.
In the general sense, anything that's brand new, off the showroom floor, you know, it'll have the latest safety features, it will have the latest equipment, it'll be state of the art. Anyone that actually sees that will be entitled to go, okay, well, this looks like a pretty good business, pretty good company to work for, and see if they can actually join that workforce. And having all this fleet out there, it's obviously it's a big advertising as well to say, you know, we've got the latest equipment, and then the equipment that actually works. It's proven that actually works as well. So yeah, we've used Hidrive before in Victoria, in Melbourne, and the boys absolutely love it. It's light, it's strong, it's easy to open, it's easy to close. The drawers are really well built. The sliders have never failed. And for us, even going forward in the other fleet in the business, we'll certainly go for the Hidrive again.
A very good experience. I've been in the industry 20 years now, building plant and equipment. Very professional. They've got systems and processes in place. Very easy company to work with. A very good experience for me. The feedback's been very positive in regards to the new technology that they're using. Obviously there's some training involved, but they're very pleased with the kit they're going to be working with. SA Water's feedback is that post go live transition, they'd like me to work with them closely in regards to the bodies that we've built on the utes using the Hidrive, and they'd like to introduce that into their fleet.
So the SA Water field technicians have actually seen the vehicles. They're really impressed with the Hidrive units. Obviously it's a sort of new system from the old system to the Hidrive unit. It's a lot compact, and I think they'll be happy with it for the next 10 years. It'll probably still last in 10 years and we'll have no issues. We'll definitely recommend Hidrive. Great company to work for. Good quality built products by Hidrive that deliver on time. And what more could you ask for?
Yeah, Hidrive, quality product, can deliver the schedule, and excellent to work with.